Today we're sharing with you things that men should never do, so let's not waste any time and get right into it. Number 1. It's crucial never to allow anyone to make you feel inferior or unworthy. A person's wealth or possessions should never determine their value. What truly defines your worth as a man is your integrity, moral compass, and the strength to stand up for yourself. Never settle for mediocrity, whether it's for your own life or the company you keep. Number 2. Always surround yourself with people of character and integrity. This applies not only to your significant other, be it a girlfriend, wife, or boyfriend, but also to friends and acquaintances. If someone lacks these qualities and engages in destructive behavior, it's essential to distance yourself from them. To achieve greatness, you must align yourself with exceptional individuals. Number 3. Perfect timing is a myth, so don't wait for the right moment to pursue your aspirations. Whether it's improving your relationship, increasing your income, or embarking on a new venture, waiting for the stars to align is counterproductive. The time to take action is now. If this video is helpful so far, hit the like button and subscribe. Now back to the list. Number 4. Never rely on handouts or expect things to be handed to you without effort. The most valuable and cherished accomplishments are those you've earned through hard work and dedication. The more effort you invest, the greater your sense of satisfaction and achievement. Number 5. Don't hesitate to seek help when you need it. In some cases, that could mean therapy, which can be instrumental in addressing past issues and improving mental and emotional well-being. Therapy offers an unbiased perspective and actionable strategies to enhance your life. In other cases, that could be a life coach, other professionals or services, or just your friends and family. Number 6. Do not to be embarrassed about things you can change. Whether it's your physical appearance, financial situation, or any aspect of your life, if you can take steps to improve it, do so. However, if something is beyond your control, learn to let it go and focus on what you can change. Remember that the only person you can control is yourself. Stop trying to change others or obsess over things beyond your control. Accepting this reality will lead to greater happiness and peace of mind. Number 7. Never allow somebody else to dictate your happiness or your future. Someone should not make you choose. Instead, compromise to have a happy relationship, which doesn't mean yes or no or do this or that. It means figuring out a better way for both of you to be happy and fulfilled. Don't compromise your integrity and goals. These are 7 things men should never do. It's okay if you do them, but now that you recognize them, work on eliminating them for your life completely. You will be amazed by how your life will turn around. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button and subscribe. Thank you.